This is an exciting day for us because we wanted to introduce you to our new service called HealthSquare. And it's sort of unusual for Sarasota Memorial because people think of us as a hospital, but this is actually a health experience in the middle of a mall where we can see people do health screening and risk assessment and ultimately bring some of our services out here and introduce people to health and wellness.
It tests how much oxygen is actually running through your blood.
Most people get nervous when they go to the hospital or to the doctor's office, so we're in a nice, relaxed, comfortable setting, so you can check your blood pressure when you're doing something that you do in everyday life. So hopefully it's a very accurate reading. If you can keep track of your blood pressure, your weight, your BMI, those are indicators that could be big problems if they're not tracked regularly.
It really is a sort of a concierge approach to health. We don't want people's first experience with health to be a scary one. We want it to be relaxed in a setting that they're familiar with. It's comforting. We can take as much time with explanation. It's not the middle of the emergency room. No one's going to surgery. You're not getting your blood drawn. So we really think that this is the best way to introduce people to health and wellness.
This space was about taking what we learned with our social media success, especially on Twitter and Facebook. And what people are really looking for there is engagement in one-on-one conversations and finding information quickly and when they want it. And so being in a space like this where people are doing shopping and maybe have healthcare questions on their mind, but also are coming out to do some shopping, we can be here to help them answer those questions.
Anything that motivates good health is good for us. To get you thinking about it, we tend to do it more. It tells me I should lose weight. It makes it more of a, it's in concrete now. It's not just a thought.
If someone checks their blood pressure, they don't have a primary care physician and it's high and it's regularly high, we can easily refer them to a physician. Or if they're simply looking for a new physician, they're new to town, they're visiting, we have all the resources of the healthcare system here so we can point them to wherever they need to go.